So wena ke ngoku ufaka incwasi yakho ku my friend ayimithise afumana ivisa aqala ibhizinesi isasebenzisa incwasi yakho ba masifumane la way ku government nayo iyanika. What government is not doing is going back to the shops and see if these shops have got tax numbers and tax these people. And you know what else I know that I've heard about is that these shops is supposed to give back to the community. These shops don't even give back to the community. Everything comes and everything goes to their people where they come from. Yabona, at some time I thought ndokuba these guys are soldiers, because zonke ezi foreigners iwelayo, most of them is guys, especially ezi zo my friend ezi zilapha shop. Most of them is guys. So I thought these might be soldiers, because these guys, they never come with their chicks over here, their sisters, but they're coming here to take our sisters. You can't even go to their country and do the same things they're doing into your country. You are going, it's either you're gonna go to jail or you're gonna get killed. But what I'm 100% sure is that they will not send you back same time. You will spend time in their prison. If what you do is worse, you're gonna die even there. They're gonna kill you there. Mara South Africa, Christmas with foreigners. They do as they want. They come the way they want. South Africans are benefiting less from these people. Shaka Zulu exposed there. He was the first one who took an idiot decision of giving the foreigners at that time was the white people that crossed the sea. He gave them a ground and they chose and said, can't he give them somewhere big, somewhere space? And he asked, where is that? And they said, near the beach. He gave them the beach. That's why you find most of the black people is here where there is no seawater. Elokshini, where it is dry, where you're gonna find rocks, no sand. The white rich men went and sit on the rich grounds of South Africa because of a decision a king took back in the days. We're supposed to be proud of Shaka Zulu. How the fuck am I gonna be proud of a man who gave us up like that? That is the person that disappointed South Africans there, not Mandela. Mandela just continued what was already decided in the past. From there